Hi, I'm Carl Crosby. I'm going to show you how easy it is to cook an egg in a microwave.
Wash your hands, set your mise en place up, coat your bowl with oil, make sure it's coated thoroughly. Crack your egg, season it with salt and pepper. Important part, gently stab the egg with a knife once. Next, place a dampened paper towel over your bowl, place in the microwave, and microwave for 25 seconds. Let sit for 10 seconds, and then microwave for another 10 seconds. And then you'll have a perfectly cooked over easy egg.